Hey, what's up? My name's Chase, and I'm going to be teaching you how to save your resume as a JPEG today. Normally, you could already have your resume saved as a PDF through Microsoft Word or whatever program you use. So we're going to open that PDF into Photoshop by going to File, Open. We're going to find where we saved our resume. I saved mine on the desktop, so I'm going to click on that. When it loads, a dialog box is going to come up, and you can change the size of the document. You can change the resolution at this point. I'm going to keep everything the same and hit OK. Once that loads, there's going to be a transparent background that we're going to need to get rid of. How we're going to do that is by clicking Layer down at the very bottom and hit Flatten Image. That's going to give a white background to our document and make it visible to whoever's viewing it. Now we're going to save it as a JPEG by going to File, Save As. Choose the destination to which you would like to save it. I'm going to save it to the desktop. And then under Format, click the menu and select JPEG. If you'd like to save it as a copy, you can. It's just going to save it as a duplicate, so that way you're not overwriting what you had done before. I choose not to do that. It just takes up space on your desktop or in your hard drive. I'm going to embed my color profile, which is just something that's set up automatically in Photoshop that you've already selected, and I'm going to hit Save. I always maximize the quality to 12, which increases the document size a little bit, but it's not that much. And I always choose a format of baseline standard, and I hit OK. And that's it. That's how you save your resume as a JPEG in Photoshop.